It was a sunny Saturday morning. Emma, a young woman, woke up early. Today was her best friend Lucy's birthday. Emma wanted to prepare a small surprise. She was excited but also a little nervous. Emma made a list. She wanted to buy a small cake, some balloons, and a gift. She wore her favorite red jacket and left her house. The streets were quiet because it was early. At the bakery, she saw many cakes: chocolate, vanilla, strawberry. Emma chose a chocolate cake with small white flowers. "This looks perfect," she said. She paid and carefully put it in her bag. Next, Emma went to a small gift shop. She looked at different presents. There were books, candles, and scarves. She remembered that Lucy liked bracelets. Emma found a small silver bracelet. She smiled. "This will make her happy," she said. She bought it and wrapped it in colorful paper. Emma walked to the party store. She picked some balloons, pink, blue, and yellow. She tied them together. "This will be fun," she thought. It was almost noon. Emma wanted to meet Lucy at the park. Lucy liked to sit near the fountain on Saturdays. Emma arrived early and hid behind a tree with her gifts. She waited patiently. Soon Lucy appeared. She was walking slowly and smiling. Emma jumped out and shouted, "Surprise! Happy birthday!" Lucy's eyes were wide. "Oh my God! Emma, this is amazing!" She laughed and hugged her friend. Emma gave Lucy the bracelet and the cake. "I wanted to do something special today," she said. Lucy smiled and said, "This is the best birthday ever." "Thank you so much." They sat on a bench and ate the cake together. Emma blew some small candles. People in the park smiled and waved. Some children came near the balloons. Lucy gave them one balloon each. After eating, they walked around the park. They talked about school, friends, and their plans for the summer. Emma felt happy. She liked making others smile. Suddenly, Lucy saw a small dog running near the fountain. "Look! A puppy," she said. The puppy was small, brown, and very playful. It ran to them and wagged its tail. Emma laughed. "Maybe it wants to join the party too." Lucy petted the puppy. "He is so cute. I wish I could take him home," she said. Emma smiled. "Maybe next time. But today we have each other, and that's the most important." The sun moved slowly across the sky. People started leaving the park. Emma and Lucy sat quietly on the grass. They watched the clouds and listened to the birds. Emma thought, "I am glad I did this. Small surprises can make people very happy." Lucy looked at Emma. "You are a great friend." "Thank you for everything," Emma smiled. "We should celebrate small things more often. Life is short, and happy moments are important." They stayed in the park until the sun began to set. Emma felt thankful for her friend, the day, and the little surprises that made life enjoyable. Walking home, Emma held her empty bag with balloons. She felt happy and peaceful. Today was a day she would remember forever.